Mark did wash his hands.
No, I didn't. I just scratched my asshole, and now we're away.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Stunning.
This way.
This way.
Okay. Watch for cyclists out in the middle of nowhere. Did you see that sign? This person's ready for church. St. Mary's Parish. God bless you. Good morning. Getting ready.
Yeah, getting ready to climb little mini ball drop.
All right.
There's a kookaburra over there.
Does it sit on the old gum tree? To go to the lookout, and this way is only to Little Bald Rock.
Well, let's go to Little Bald Rock.
You go Little Bald Rock. Are you coming? Look at this tourist.
Tourist. I belong here.
Oh, here we go. So it sort of goes up to some sort of peak as well.
Chef Mark.
There's my friend. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. Come on, I know you want it. Good catch. Go around the long way or the short way? I'm gonna go around the long way. Hello.
Mark, what's for dinner tonight?
A roast.
What kind of roast?
Chicken leg, lovely legs. And we're going to put red wine and a little bit of soy sauce and some herbs and canned tomatoes, a whole bunch of vegetables, and mix it all up.
Roast it on the fire.
Yeah, burn some really hot coals, dump it on the fire.
Sounds lovely.
Yeah, it's a favourite. Beautiful. Wow. Speak my mind, I question there. It seems to me like no one really cares. Peripherally blind and intellectually numb. Ignorance by choice or just plain fucking dumb. Cause you're in my mind.
He was quick.
You're everything the same.
Careful.
My question shall remain.